shotgun in the mouth. That's what happened. How the fuck does that thing have that much range? No, bro. What?
Oh. Somebody's angry.
Fucking dog shit shotgun user. Act like it ain't the easiest gun in the game to use or something.
You generic ass motherfucker, bro.
What the fuck are you doing?
We're losing ground.
On your ass. Phone was they shot. Slow down.
Slow down. They're running in the hallways. Good game. Good game.
Yeah, I almost got you there, Endemol.
Yeah, you almost did. Peekaboo. Hey, you in the yellow.
No! Motherfucker, bro. Fucking bitch, bro. God.
Surprise!
What?
Oh my gosh. This
Waiting on you.
mofo. I was hoping I was gonna catch you with that grenade, even though I knew it was premature. This here, you might be my nemesis. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to hit you.
You're trying to shoot me in the back. Where are you at? Get out of here.
Man, that ain't even fair. I was trying to reload, wait for you. Look. Damn, he blew his nuts off.
It was a sacky smack.
Bro, running around.
What's up?
Oh my, bruh.
Still gotcha. You tried really hard too.
We all stay in the corner. Oh shit, I'm out! No!
Alright. Whoever has riot shield and shotgun, your mom's a hoe.
That's not nice. Damn.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
Oh, you bitch.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
I would have had you if you didn't have a shotgun.
Alright, let's all team up and get the guy with the fucking shield.
Don't do
Yes. Agreed.
No, don't do that.
Fuck that guy.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, shit.
Where y'all at?
This old man gums.
Peekaboo. Oh, man. Good game.
Only got 9 kills.